IELTS academic writing test. Very simple and clear. I'm gonna take just 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna explain in very easy words. Well, you have 1 hour and there are simply 2 tasks. In task 1, you will be asked to explain the given information. The information will be given in a bar chart, maybe a line chart, maybe a diagram or a table chart, etc., etc. And you have to explain in some 125 words whatever the information is given in that bar chart or the diagram. Okay, and what we do is there is a particular method. It's IELTS is all about strategies and how to write stuff. It's nothing to do with English. I know people who are very poor at English and they got 7 bands, and I know people who were very, even I heard a story in which a professor took an IELTS test and he got just 4.5 bands. Can you believe that? So it's all about the methods, the strategies, the plans. Okay, task 1, and you have to explain the whole information into 3 different paragraphs. Okay, और हर पैराग्राफ को आप खास तरीके से शुरू करते हैं. एक सेंटेंस तो ऑलमोस्ट आपका रटा हुआ होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मैप और द डायग्राम illustrates plans for 2 possible sites for a shopping mall in the city of Lahore or Dubai or London, etc. Okay, and then you talk about the information. In the second paragraph, you write something like this. You start it something like this. Well, from the overall perspective, we can say that the mall had some 100 plus shops in the year 1995, and the shops jumped to 350 shops in the year 2022. Okay, something like this. And in the last paragraph, you just conclude whatever the information was given. Okay, you can do this in just 15 to 18 minutes, believe me, but only if you have good practice. IELTS is all about practice. I repeat, IELTS is all about practice. Maybe you can exclude speaking in this, but the rest is all about practice. Task 2, you have 40 minutes and you have to write an essay of some 200 plus words, and you have to talk from your own point of view, right? And you have to just keep into mind that you are not allowed to use the informal language or the very ordinary kind of words and vocab. Okay, you have to talk your point of view in a very sophisticated, decent language. And you can also practice this, and you can learn particular words. You can have a couple of pages. I can provide you that, and just cram those words, and then you can use them into your writing. Okay, and that's it. This was IELTS academic. It's not very difficult, but I repeat, it's all about the practice. You just give 10 days, 3 hours daily, and it's done. It's not a big deal.